So to become aware of this inner voice that feels like it's me is actually the gateway to freedom, because you're not bound by it anymore. You can see it, and its words lose their power over you. So even if it says, I'm a failure at life, if you believe that story, it's a very painful story. And people even can commit suicide. They can kill themselves because they believe the story. But if you can see, oh, that was an experience that appeared out of nothingness. It was just a thought. It was seen and now it's gone. Then you have access to infinite peace.
Yes.
And you don't even need to give effort to try to change the content of the story or the thoughts, or try to even make it stop, even if it's very, very noisy, chattering all day long, talking about this person and that person. Okay, it doesn't bother you anymore because you're not invested in that. Your attention is just still as that which is aware, just noticing this interesting phenomena